In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Say, O Muhammad, it is revealed unto me that a company of the jinn gave ear, and they said, Lo, we have heard a marvelous Qur'an, which guideth unto righteousness, so we believe in it, and we ascribe no partner unto our Lord. And we believe that He, exalted be the glory of our Lord, hath taken neither wife nor son, and that the foolish one among us used to speak concerning Allah an atrocious lie. And lo, we had supposed that humankind and jinn would not speak a lie concerning Allah. And indeed, O Muhammad, individuals of humankind used to invoke the protection of individuals of the jinn, so that they increased them in revolt against Allah. And indeed, they supposed, even as ye suppose, that Allah would not raise anyone from the dead. And the jinn who had listened to the Qur'an said, We had sought the heaven, but had found it filled with strong waters and meteors. And we used to sit on places high therein to listen, but he who listened now findeth a flame in wait for him. And we know not whether harm is boded unto all who are in the earth, or whether their Lord intended guidance for them. And among us there are righteous folk, and among us there are far from that. We are sects having different rules. And we know that we cannot escape from Allah in the earth, nor can we escape by flight. And when we heard the guidance, we believed therein, and whoso believeth in his Lord, he fareth neither loss nor oppression. And there are among us some who have surrendered to Allah, and there are among us some who are unjust. And whoso hath surrendered to Allah, such have taken the right path purposefully. And as for those who are unjust, they are firewood for hell. If they, the idolaters, tread the right path, we shall give them to drink of water in abundance, that we may test them thereby. And whoso turneth away from the remembrance of his Lord, he will thrust him into ever-growing torment. And the places of worship are only for Allah, so pray not unto anyone along with Allah. And when the slave of Allah stood up in prayer to him, they crowded on him, almost stifling. Say unto them, O Muhammad, I pray unto Allah only, and ascribe unto him no partner. Say, Lo, I control not hurt nor benefit for you. Say, Lo, none can protect me from Allah, nor can I find any refuge beside Him. Mine is but conveyance of the truth from Allah and His messengers. And whoso disobeyeth Allah and His messenger, lo, his is fire of hell, wherein such dwell forever. Till the day when they shall behold that which they are promised, they may doubt. But then they will know for certain who is weaker in allies and less in multitude. Say, O Muhammad, unto the disbelievers, I know not whether that which ye are promised is nigh, or if my Lord hath set a distant term for it. He is the knower of the unseen, and He revealeth unto none His secret. Save unto every messenger whom He hath chosen, and then He maketh a guard to go before him, and a guard behind him, that He may know that they have indeed conveyed the messages of their Lord. He surroundeth all their doings, and He keepeth count of all things.